J3 made this shit.
Fine. Flabby makes butt pants. Go! I have a beard. Take off that beard and disqualify from the race. Introduce yourself. I'm Chip Eater number 1. Let's call it. Go! It's about time. Oh, no, Sophia's getting her lead. Sophia's getting her lead. Die. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Now it's the live camera work. Thanks. Cool angles. Sophia was winning, but I think we're... What happened to our friendly sports? They keep on running. They run fast. They're running fast. An attempted slowdown. For the green jacket. Works on Courtney, but not on Sophia.